My name is Dirschl. I'm the Chief Content Architect at Wolters-Kluwer, Germany, and I'm part of the Innovation and UX team. Well, at that time we did a lot of publishing, so we had a lot of content, and all of that content was stored in XML, and we saw that the XML is very good for processing the data, but it's not really good for enriching the data. So all the metadata, all the vocabularies, everything was in the documents, and we were looking for ways to separate these additional data from the text itself. Therefore we were looking for tools which were enabling us to have the vocabularies maintained and stored in one site, and the textual information in the HTML files. And this is why then we looked into the landscape of what was available at that time, and back in 2011 when we started that, PoolParty was one of the options, we did an evaluation with 3 or 4 other things that were there, like Semantic and others at that time, and PoolParty was the only solution at that time which was standard based, and so this was one of the major reasons why we were trying things out with PoolParty, and also finally decided to get in touch with the people and finally bought that. Yeah, that was one of the very positive things about PoolParty, because the people, which were the domain experts actually, were quite happy with the UI already at that time. Since the legal experts are not experts in IT, they are experts in legal affairs, and they were also not willing to be around in a technical environment when you're giving their knowledge away and structuring the data. PoolParty in that sense made it easy for them to transfer their knowledge in their heads into some technical environment, because the logic behind that is what they understood, like having a back of book index or a library system or things like that. This was the metaphor that they were familiar with, and this metaphor was also reflected in the PoolParty environment, and therefore that was rather easy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so what has changed? On the one hand, this separation of the metadata and the data itself gave us the opportunity to make that scalable, in the sense that we currently we have a couple of teams in different countries working with PoolParty in their specific environments, so a lot of collaboration takes place. And another thing is that we are able to map the vocabulary with other external sources, which is not possible in an XML environment. We can also include data from customers, for example, in that environment. So the whole process actually of looking at data has changed, in the sense that it was not any more content centric, but it was really more data centric, and this also changed the mind of the people about the possibilities that they will have now and also in the future. PoolParty is a very knowledgeable partner for the future of Wolters-Kluwer.